Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your WordPress admin password on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to websites, and next to the WordPress site that you want to find or change the WordPress admin password for, click on WordPress admin button. This way, you will automatically log in to the WordPress dashboard. And once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, simply go to Users and select Profile. Now scroll down again till you see New Password. Next to it, click on Set New Password. You will see this suggested password. You can delete it like that. Here, scroll down again to save this change. Click on Update Profile. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you see, profile updated. Now let's log in or log out from WordPress dashboard. Try to fill in again using the new password that I've just created and click on login. My bad. And just like that, I've changed my WordPress admin password. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.